All right, guys, 2021 Nissan Titan 5.6 liter beast. I don't know. I like Nissans. I don't like their Ultimas, but I like their trucks. Their trucks are nice. Factory converters there and there. Then it comes true dual into the muffler. So we cut it off right there and put this FLOWMASTer 8525454 right there. Super 40 series, as you guys can see. Then 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side, there and there, with some round 3.5-inch black tips rolled. Because just to complete the look, give it a nice look at the end, as you guys can see. There's the muffler that was on it. Comes dual in, single out, and there's the tailpipe that was on. There it is. There's the tailpipe. There's the muffler. That's what it looks like after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. We get a lot of views, but no subscriptions. So please subscribe, guys. It really helps us out. Sounds like much better. Decibels again, right at 99. It's still right at 100, which is perfect. It's right at 100. It's not overbearing. It's clean. That's a nice deep toe. I like it. Oh, come on! I already hooked you up on the price. We appreciate his service. He's a disabled veteran. We appreciate his service. We really do. And this is the 6th vehicle he's done with us, guys. We really appreciate it. That sounds so good. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Over this traffic, and he's gonna punch it.